Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Bing Webmaster Tools for affiliate SEO, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Go to the Bing Webmaster Tools website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button. You can register using a Microsoft account. If you already have an account, simply sign in. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. To add your website, click on the Add a Site button. Enter your website URL in the provided field. Click on that Add button to proceed. Choose your verification method from the options provided. The recommended method is HTML file upload. Download the verification file to your computer. Next, access your website's root directory. Upload the verification file to that directory. After uploading, return to Bing Webmaster Tools. Click on the Verify button to confirm your ownership. Once your site is verified, you'll see it listed on your dashboard. Now, click on your website to access its settings. Navigate to the Sitemaps section. Here, you can submit your XML sitemap for indexing. Copy the URL of your sitemap. Paste it into the provided field and click Submit. After submitting, monitor your sitemap status. Next, explore the Performance tab on the dashboard. This section helps you track your website's search performance. You can analyze keywords that generate traffic. To improve visibility, go to the SEO Reports section. Review the suggestions provided for on-page SEO improvements. Implement the recommended changes on your website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.